Hello Banaka people, welcome back to our music YouTube account. Today we're just gonna talk about a new song coming up. Maybe coming up on next week. The song is written by Roy. It's a memory song about the kids. Today he's gonna tell the story about the song, the meaning of the song, and what's the song dedicated to who. You're gonna hear a story from him.
Bula. The song Serena Rana is about a little girl. She was about 8 months old when she passed away. We went to school together with Serena's father, contacting me to write a song about the daughter, about Serena, passed away at the beginning of this year. They hail from Nampanga in Ra, and I'm maternal to Tailio, so Sombao. Let's write a song for remembrance for the family to remember Serena. The song will be coming out a few weeks time. It's a tribute song. Shout out to the families and the fans out there. We hope you'll enjoy the song, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I'm happy and crew. Thank you very much, guys.